Even if you don't like akara, you are going to definitely like this one. This is not the regular akara. This is akara made with lentils. Research has it that lentils is more proteinous than the normal beans. So foodies, let's get started. You will need lentils, onion, habanero, paprika, which will start by soaking the lentils in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and pop it into the blender together with the paprika, peppers and onions, and blend until it's nice and smooth. Making your own akara at home gives it a more authentic flavor and taste. Next, you are going to pour the puree into a bowl. Add in some seasoning and salt. Stir gently, and just like that, you are all set to start frying. Now you are going to place a deep pan on the stove. Heat up some good amount of oil. Give it some time to heat up. Afterwards, use a deep spoon to scoop and fry till golden brown. Please do not fry on high heat. Moderate heat is okay. And just like that, your lentils akara is ready. It's rich, flavorful and tastes so good. You can't tell if it's lentils or beans. Now tell me, will you be trying this or have you tried it before? If you have not, try it and let's know your take on this. Please remember to like this video, comment and share. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.